everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Adobe Okonkwo. I am a Nigerian content creator based in Minnesota. But at the time when I was recording this, I was actually living in Seattle for my internship at Microsoft. Today is another work from the office. It's a day in the life, work day in the life, whatever you'd like to call it. But I'm basically driving to our headquarters office and I'll be working from there for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, like this video, share with your friends, and most importantly, comment down below what your favorite aspect of today's video is. Before I went to Microsoft, I'd always wondered what the office looks like. Well, you don't have to think like me because I did do a mini tour of my office and I hope you guys enjoy it. I have more of this coming up and there's a detailed tour in one of the upcoming videos. But yeah, make sure to like and share with your friends. I'll be talking a little bit more in the much later in today's video, but thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye.
I want you to stay, don't see why you can't. I promise I'll wait as long as I can, yeah. I want you to know you're enough of a man. Let's walk on the beach with our feet in the sand, yeah. You know that your curves are infectious. Is this a curse or a blessing? The way you make me feel got me stressing. Play with my desire till you possessed it. Ooh, is this what you want? Make you ooh, was just passing through, but now I don't know what to choose. Yeah, I could go on and on about how I don't know what I want, but I didn't come from up above to fall in love. Ooh, made room for you. Oh, finally got room for two. I want you to stay, don't see why you can't. I promise I'll wait as long as I can, yeah.
Guys, hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by, and if not, thank you so much for returning back to my channel. My name is Miriam Okonkwo Abakworo. Now on this channel I make videos about productivity, lifestyle, building a career, and just living my best life. Now if those are videos that interest you, you should definitely consider joining the family. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys what the typical day in my life looks like. Today I came to the office and that's because I wanted to see one of my fellow interns. I think she had a final presentation yesterday, so I wanted to congratulate her. So we're going to go hang out and grab boba tea. So that's why I came in. Usually I'll just work from home. But yeah, so that's how what I'm going to be doing in today's video is. By the way, did I say subscribe? Subscribe if I haven't said that already. So my calendar for today, I pretty much blocked my whole calendar for today just because I want to use it to prep for finish up my deck, which is still work in progress. So I need to complete that today. So I have a meeting at 9 o'clock and then after that I have 2 other meetings. I think I'm gonna go book the room there just so I have some quiet when I'm having those meetings. So let's go do that. So mostly meetings, and then I have 1 hour, 1 hour breaks that I can use for work. Yeah, so let's go set up the time. So when you come to the office, this is what my office is looking like. It's a first come first serve. So whenever you come, you grab any table that is available. I usually like this table just because it's facing the window. So that is super nice. I'll go show you guys, but so this is what view is looking like, and then this is the office. So you just come, grab any table. Usually you would need to reserve it. Can you see the poster on the table? But I did not. So what I'm gonna do is take a screenshot of what my calendar looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and I hope I selected the right time. So I'm trying to confirm what time. So 12:30. So let's do 12:30 to 1:30. So that's when I'm having my meeting. So I'm just going to go ahead and reserve this room. 12:30 to 1:30 reserved. So I just reserved the room. By the way, the time is just 7:45. I'm pretty much very early in the office and came in mostly for a reason. I wanted to get some work done without like all the noise from the intern. So that's why I actually came in early. I am going to go grab some drinks because they're actually free. So let me show you.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle.
The first thing I like to do when I get to the office is actually prepare my to-do list. It just helps like keep me organized, and so when I do stuff, I just feel really accomplished doing them. By the way, I went to grab some free coconut water because it's good and it's free. So let's make our to-do list for the day. So this is the to-do list from yesterday. So what I typically do is just go through them and move the ones I wasn't able to accomplish yesterday to the next day. So let's do that. Actually, I'm going to take a screenshot from my phone so I don't have to move in back and forth. Just finished my to-do list, and they are mostly around finishing up my final deck. That is like the most important one that I'm still struggling with right now. So I feel like I put all the content I want to put, but my manager did mention I need to reduce it to 30 slides, so that's something I'm struggling with, but I am gonna figure it out. So first goal is for me to build it out, make it as detailed as possible, and then filter through to see what I can take out and what I absolutely cannot. I also need to watch the org video and select 5 orgs that I am interested in and start networking with them. Then select 5 persons per org, so a total of I don't know how many orgs there are, and network with them just to learn about their role, their org, their job, and all of that good stuff. So what I'm also trying to do is also I don't want to just do PMM, even though that's what I'm genuinely interested in. I want to explore other roles like business planner and all of that good stuff. Then I need to send a reminder to the people that I sent a requested perspective from. So perspective is just requesting feedback from the people that you worked with. So I need to send reminders to those that haven't done theirs. I also need to start 2 certifications that I wanted to do, the accessibility and sustainability certifications. Also finish up my LinkedIn course on advanced product marketing. So I might not be able to finish everything today because I do have an appointment at 3:20 for my eyes. So that's why I actually came in early so I can get some job done and leave early and close for the day. So yeah, fingers crossed I'm able to do all of this. So I guess the easiest one is to start off with my email. So I go through my email, filter, and make sure that there are no messages that I need to reply. So it seems like they are mostly team messages. So let's see. Okay. So I just had some morning messages that I need to reply. So I just did that. I think that's pretty much. Okay, so once I'm done with my deck, I want to send it to one of my mentors to help review and give feedback. But we need to get the deck in 90% format first. So let's do that. That's what I'm going to be spending most of my time today doing. I do have a meeting at 9 and it is currently 8:01. So I technically have 1 hour to finish up the deck. So let's do that.
You just glossy, I ain't trying to keep it concealed. Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall off. If you tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, I want it, oh. Why you acting like you gotta wait for it, honey? I know I've been in your head like shea butter, honey. You go out and tell your friends that we ain't none. They be in the group chat knowing that it ain't 100. Tell your ex-man.
Hi. I don't know if you can remember me, but you interviewed me. Yeah. Yes, you did. Thank you so much. I love it. Like, love it is such an understatement. I feel like the people are just amazing. The culture is just so different, but in a good way. So it has just been an amazing experience. Everybody's just willing to teach you, be patient. I don't know if it's because I'm an intern. I'm hoping that's not the case and it's the same thing. No?
Trip on his openers, cause I'm in California trying to put you where the ocean is. Hit the text late like you just now opened it. Yeah, I believe that. Oh, and I know you think you're still on the low, but I heard how you feel from everybody you know. Oh, you just glossy, I ain't trying to keep it concealed. Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall.
Before I forget, let me just make sure that I have set time for Wednesday. She accepted. Okay, so I need to set some time with. Okay, guys, so it is currently 12:19. I have a meeting at 12:30 to 1, and at 1 I'll be going out with my friend to go grab boba tea. Once we are done with the boba tea, I'll bring her back to the office, and then I'll start heading back home. The clinic that I'm going to for my eyes is literally 2 minutes drive from my hotel, and that's why I picked it. I was thinking thinking I was not going to be able to come to the office today, but yeah, so I would go for my eye checkup, and then I'll just go back home and continue with my slides. The goal is to finish this. The goal is to complete my deck today so I can start rehearsing. I keep saying I need to do this, but I haven't done it. I need to meet with other people in other orgs and in other teams to network with them. So I already started with the ERG teams, but I need to go broader now. So for now, I think I've narrowed it down to 4 teams that I'm interested in, 4 orgs that I'm interested in. So cybersecurity, modern works, biz apps. What was the third one? He said Azure. Yeah, so all 4 of them. So I am going to go and look at the Who Plus. So one of my classmates or one of my fellow interns just went skydiving, like the actual outdoor skydiving, and this is something I've been wanting to do for the longest, that since I came to Seattle, that I haven't done. So I think I'm going to do this as a reward for after my internship. So I'm going to look at getting 2 tickets for my husband and I. I think he's going to absolutely love this because he really likes the indoor one. Yeah, I think I'll do it for both of us. Okay, looking forward to it. Let's see. Well, my presentation is coming together. Like, I'm really liking how it's looking right now in terms of design. Did I bring my phone? No, I did not. I'm about to jump into my last meeting for the day. So 1 more minute. Ideally, you want to join your meetings 5 minutes before the actual time. But I'm actually a little bit busy today, so... Hi, can you hear me?
I can hear you, yes ma'am.
Perfect. How are you?
I'm well, how are you?
I'm good too. It's so good to meet you. Meet you. I saw something on Instagram. Was it yesterday? They were like, "Oh, don't say meet you anymore. Say acquaintance." Definitely keep you posted. I have my first final presentation next week Tuesday, and one with Emily in two weeks after that.
Okay, perfect. Well, we'll talk soon.
All right. Take care. Bye. That was a great call. Now let's go for our boba tea. So I'm sure my friend is already waiting.
Boba Lust.
Huh?
It's called Boba Lust.
Yeah, Boba Lust. Yeah, people have seen me come here all the time. Do you know how many times I've been here? Good. So I'd like to order the black sugar, extra sweet. You absolutely love it.
Which one is yours?
So thank you. This is mine, and this is yours.
Did you take it? I was like...
I'm so happy for you. You're gonna love it.
Yeah, nice.
What? I told you.
Don't see why you can't. I promise I'll wait as long as I can, yeah. I want you to know you're enough of a man. Let's walk on the beach with our feet in the sand, yeah. You know that your curves are infectious. Is this a curse or a blessing? The way you make me feel got me stressing. Play with my desire until you possessed it. Ooh, is this what you want? Make you ooh, was just passing through, but now I don't know what to choose. Yeah, I could go on and on about how I don't know what I want, but I didn't come from up above to fall in love.
Eyeglasses are so freaking expensive. I just came back from the hospital, from the clinic for my eyes, and 700 and something for glasses. Eh? My insurance paid 350 and I had to pay 300 and something out of pocket just for glasses. And in the way they were saying it, it was like, my insurance had done something good. But I'm like, they're not even paying for all the whole cost of the glasses. At this point, I've made up my mind, though. I'm going to do that eye surgery. I just need to read more. Anyways, they gave me these reflective glasses. You just put it on your face like this and then put your glasses on like so. So you can see and not be blinded by the sunlight. And they did this because they dilated my eyes. So my eyes are like, I think I should have gone to Trader Joe's to buy some fruit. But almost the money that I spent on glasses just now. Why am I wearing this thing back? There wasn't a lot of work to do because I'm pretty much done with my project and I'm just cleaning up my desk. I'm prepping. I do have to set up a meeting with my mentor, my ERG mentor, for Friday so I can rehearse with her for my final presentation. So I have two final presentations. So I'm presenting to the whole team on Tuesday, and then I'm also presenting to the CVP on the 23rd of August. So you guys wish me the best of luck, okay? Anyways, let me I think I had some leftover rice from yesterday, but I don't really like it because it has that raw chicken taste. It's a Chinese rice. It has that raw chicken taste. I have to cut this pineapple, it's going to spoil. I hope you guys enjoyed the video enough to subscribe and join the family. I am just going to get some work done, offload all my items and put them on the table, finish up my deck so tomorrow I can start rehearsing, send out the email that I told you guys about, and start watching the video. But I am so tired, guys, like you guys have no idea. But this money that I spent is paining me. That's a lot of money just for glasses. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, join the family by subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.